Welcome friends, here we have a Vevor, I don't know how you pronounce it, drain snake. Model RC 9001B. And as you can hopefully see, it has a half-inch 100-foot steel cable. As you can see, someone lost the tip down the drain. So I'm going to attempt to replace the old cable with a new one, which I've never done before, so let's see how it turns out. Let's check out how the old cable is wound down through the drum. Loosen the tension knob so we can easily remove the old cable. Once we get all the cable pulled out, check out how the end is bolted into the drum. Note the rotation and direction of the cable. Here's the nut on the other side of the drum. Loosen and remove. Then you should be able to pull the rest of the cable out. Let's crack open the new cable. It was only $86 for 100 foot. Much cheaper than buying a new drain snake. When removing the cable out of its metal holder, be careful because it's pretty tightly wound in there. I found out the hard way by getting whacked in the glasses. On the drum side of the new cable, you'll notice that the last 18 inches has a smaller whip end on it. To feed it down through the middle, I actually had to use a vise and crimp it ever so slightly. The original bolt that I used was a slight too big, so I had to get a smaller one, but I did use some Loctite on it. Once the end is secure in place, start feeding it through the drum just like you removed it. It did come with a small bag of assorted bits. It seems like this one in particular always works best for me. So the very next day I got the opportunity to try her out, and it worked great. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.